Hello everyone, myself Rajni Dhiman. Today we are going to discuss about next types of tenses. In my previous video we have already discussed about what is tense, its kinds, and about simple present tense. Now we have today present continuous tense that indicates an action which is in progress at the time of speaking or at the present time. It means जो अभी time चल रहा है, just like I am speaking, I am explaining. Present में जो काम अभी चल रहा है, that is what we call present continuous tense. I have taken three types: positive, negative, and question. We use in it is, am, are, and ing with first form of verb. Here you can see it. Since our childhood we are using is, am, are. Just like am we use with I, and are we use plural subjects, just like you, we, and they, or if subject is more than two names. And with singular subject, just like he, she, and it, and with a single name we use is. And in negative, you can see here we will use not. I am not, you are not, he is not. And in question form we call it interrogative also. Am I starting? This helping verb will come first, am, and then subject, and then starting, and question mark will come in it. Let's start it from the first. Positive, I am starting. It will, if we have to convert it into negative, then we will add not in it. I am not starting. I have written also abbreviation also. In short form we can also write I am to am. Am not. I am not starting. And in interrogative question form, am I starting, then question mark. You are starting, you are not starting, are you starting? He is starting, he is not starting, is he starting? Here you can see in interrogative is helping verb will come first, then subject, and then verb with ing. She is starting, she is not starting, is she starting? It is starting, it is not starting, is it starting? We are starting, we are not starting, are we starting? You are starting, you are not starting, are you starting? They are starting, they are not starting, are they starting? That was our present continuous tense, and it is the simplest form of verb. Now let's come to next level. We have present perfect. In present perfect tense, you can see what is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express an event that started in the past and the impact of the event is now continuing, or a long running event that started in the past and is still going on. This tense is used to express actions completed recent past. It means हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट तब यूज़ करते हैं जो थोड़ा सा पहले हमारा ये काम शुरू हुआ था और अभी जस्ट रिसेंट पास्ट में हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ है. जस्ट लाइक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस से 1 घंटा पहले, आधा घंटा पहले या कुछ मिनट पहले हमने अभी जस्ट वो काम हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है, बट वो प्रेजेंट ही है. दिस टेंस इज़ यूज टू एक्सप्रेस एक्शंस कंप्लीटेड रिसेंट पास्ट. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड यानी मैंने जस्ट अभी वो काम मैं कर चुकी हूँ कंप्लीट. प्रेजेंट में हमारा थोड़ा सा पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था और हमारा थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट में हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है वो काम. We have given again types of its sentences in 3 forms: positive, negative, and question. Question we call it also interrogative. Now You can see the difference. In present perfect we use has and have and third form of verb. Here it is have, use of have, has, and third form of verb, just like see, saw, seen. Seen is the third form of see. I have seen, this is positive sentence, and in negative we will add not. In abbreviation, in small, जब हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना चाहते हैं haven't seen, I haven't seen. और अगर हम इसको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में चेंज करना चाहते हैं then the same rule, helping verb will come first, have I seen, and then question mark. Question mark is, you can see here, that's why we haven't put it here. The next, you have. Again you can see the difference. With I we use have, and with plural subjects just like you, we, they, हम इनके साथ have use करते हैं. And with singular subjects just like he, she, it, or with any single name, any single thing, we use has. That is the main difference in present perfect. We have to remember this thing. You have seen, you haven't seen. Have you seen? He has seen, he hasn't seen. Has he seen? She has seen, she hasn't seen. Has she seen? It has seen, it hasn't seen. Has it seen? We have seen, we haven't seen. Have we seen? You have seen, you haven't seen. Have you seen? They have seen, they haven't seen. Have they seen? अगर आपको कहा जाए कि चेंज द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव, देन यू जस्ट हैव टू ऐड नॉट. और अगर आपको कहा जाए पॉजिटिव से आप इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करिए, तो आप जो आपकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगी उसको आगे लाकर देन योर सब्जेक्ट विल कम, एंड देन योर वर्ब, एंड देन क्वेश्चन मार्क विल कम. हियर इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, where we will use have and where we will use has. With I, you, they, we will use this helping verb have. And past participle means third form of verb, just like decided, finished, lost, chosen, and gone. And with singular subjects, he, she, it, or any single name, just like Ravi, or we can give any name. Ravi has gone, just like it. We will use helping verb, that is has, and then third form of verb gone. That was our present perfect tense. Now we have last present perfect continuous tense, where we use it. Present perfect continuous tense, just have a close look. Present perfect continuous tense indicates that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. जो हमारा पास्ट में शुरू हुआ था और प्रेजेंट में भी अभी भी चल रहा है हमारा काम, वो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. जस्ट लाइक प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हमारा थोड़े से रिसेंट पास्ट में ख़त्म हो चुका था. आई हैव डन, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, ही हैज़ गॉन, कि वो जा चुका है, वो काम थोड़ा सा पास्ट में ख़त्म हो गया था, बट वो प्रेजेंट ही कहलाया जाता है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. बट इसमें हमारा पास्ट में काम शुरू होता है और वो प्रेजेंट में भी अभी लंबे समय तक चल रहा है. देन वी यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. कंटिन्यूअस मतलब चल रहा है, जो लगातार हमारा अभी चल रहा है. अगेन वी हैव 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस हेयर, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, एंड क्वेश्चन. आई हैव बीन स्टार्टिंग. You can see the difference here clearly. हमने उसमें सिर्फ यूज़ किया था has, have and third form. Now in this form we are using has, have, been also, been, and ing with first form of verb. That is the main difference, that we will use here ing again with been, has, have, been, and ing with first form of verb. I'm again repeating it, just you have to take care about these all things. I have been starting. I haven't been starting. Have I been starting? Again the same rule will be In interrogative, this will come first, and I, then subject, and then been, and starting, ing with first form of verb, and then question mark. You have been starting, you haven't been starting. Have you been starting? He has been starting, he has not been starting. Has she been starting? She has been starting, she hasn't been starting. Has he been starting? It has been starting, it hasn't been starting. Has it been starting? We have been starting, we haven't been starting. Have we been starting? You have been starting, you haven't been starting. Have you been starting? They have been starting, they have not been starting. Have they been starting? The main thing is that some students get confusion where we use not and where we have to use been. First of all, subject will come and then helping verb and then not and then been. It means in दोनों के बीच में हमारा interrogate in negative, it means not will come. Okay, we have not been. have और been के बीच में not आ जाएगा, और जब हम इसको interrogative में change करेंगे तब हमारी as it is helping verb पहले आ जाएगी, then subject and then been will come. That was all 3 types of tenses, present tense. Now in next video we will revise exercises.